unique definition, unique in a sentence, unique pronunciation, unique meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of unique. Unique. U-nique. Unique. Unique as an adjective means one of a kind, or different from all others in a special way. Common usages in academic writing: a unique design, a unique trait, a unique adaptation, a unique approach. Example sentence: unique adjective. That particular ant species evolved that unique adaptation some 600,000 years ago. The common academic writing variation is uniquely, adverb. His height made him uniquely qualified for that job. Please write a sentence using unique in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of unique, the meaning of unique, and unique example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.